What happens when an at-fault driver injures somebody who's a passenger in your vehicle? Not injuring you, in other words, the question of injuring the passenger in the other vehicle. And that driver that was at fault either doesn't have any or doesn't have enough insurance to cover the passenger's claim. The passenger does have the right, of course, to file a lawsuit or a claim against the at-fault driver for whatever insurance monies they have. And of course, they have the right, at least, to seek to recover all damages that the value of the claim is worth against that at-fault driver, assuming they have the financial wherewithal to pay it all off over and above their insurance limits. Unfortunately, most people that have a small amount of insurance also do not have the financial ability to cover the claim. But the passenger has an absolute right to sue the other driver, just like you as a driver would have against the at-fault driver. Also, the passenger in your vehicle is entitled to be covered under your policy with whether you have underinsured motorist coverage or uninsured motorist. Your passenger has a right to seek recovery under those benefits of the insurance policy. Because your coverage extends to not only you, but all those that are traveling with you. And that passenger might have their own policy for uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage for which they can seek to recover. So the passenger is not without legal avenues to pursue. There's some troubled waters, of course, for the passenger to do that. It's not easy to deal with these insurance companies directly or this adverse driver who is at fault. And so if the passenger is in such a situation where they're injured, they may even be in a situation where they need to make a claim directly against you as the driver if there's any claim that you were at fault. And if such a claim exists for a passenger, if they're injured, it requires someone who has the trial experience of having previously successfully pursued such claims. They're a little convoluted, they're hard to do, they're pretty much almost impossible to do on your own, and so it requires the best, most experienced lawyer that you could find. I personally have been handling such claims for many, many years, successfully so. My law firm, has been handling such claims successfully so for over 50 years. And we do have that experience to bring to the table, which is what you need on your side, because the other side definitely is going to have lawyers with that experience. And so if you have such a claim, please feel free to call me personally. We can talk it out for free to begin with, or any of the other lawyers at my firm, because we all do the same type of work. We all work very, very closely together.